Hey everyone, let's check out these stylish YOUNUOKE mid-century, modern white bar stools for your kitchen. These luxury chairs feature high-density foam and quality faux leather for incredible comfort and support. You can easily adjust the height and enjoy a smooth 360-degree swivel motion. The enlarged metal base provides excellent stability and includes rubber rings to protect your floors. These sturdy stools support up to 300 pounds and feature beautiful handmade leather edging. They look great in any home and take only 10 minutes to assemble with included tools. Upgrade your kitchen island today with these elegant and functional upholstered counter height bar stools. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.